Welcome to Dreamy D Tunes. Make yourself comfortable. Adjust your position and either sit or lie down, whatever feels most comfortable for you. Let your hands rest gently by your sides, and whenever you're ready, gently close your beautiful eyes. For the next few minutes, allow yourself to let go of the outside world. There is nowhere you need to be and nothing you need to do. This time is just for you. Take a slow, deep breath in and breathe out, releasing any tiredness you may be carrying. Take another deep breath, and as you exhale, feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed. Now, without trying too hard, simply imagine a soft, beautiful, pale blue light gently appearing above the top of your head. There is no need to see it perfectly. Just allow yourself to notice its gentle presence. This beautiful light slowly begins to flow through the top of your head, moving across your forehead, relaxing the tiny muscles around your eyes, softening your cheeks, your jaw, your neck. It slowly flows into your shoulders, relaxing every muscle. It continues down into your chest, your arms, your hands, your stomach, your hips, your legs, until it reaches your feet. As this gentle light moves through your body, every part it touches becomes softer, calmer, and completely relaxed. Take another slow, peaceful breath. If any thoughts appear, simply notice them without following them. Let them drift away like clouds passing across the sky. You don't need to hold on to them. Just let them come and let them go. Now, I wonder if you can notice something in the distance. A soft light. It carries gentle shades of blue and green. You feel naturally drawn toward it. With every step you take, the light becomes brighter, a little brighter, and a little closer. Without even realizing it, you find yourself entering a beautiful place. The sky above is bright blue. The ground beneath your feet is covered in a peaceful green meadow that stretches as far as you can see. A cool breeze gently brushes against your cheeks. The air feels fresh, peaceful, comforting. You continue walking, and with every step, you feel lighter, more relaxed, more at ease. You never feel tired. Instead, each step fills you with a quiet sense of peace. Soon, you arrive at a beautiful bridge. At the end of the bridge stands an elegant door. Leading up to it are 4 gentle steps. As you look at the door, you realize you have 2 choices. You can turn around and return to the life you've always known. Or you can climb those steps, open the door, and move forward without looking back. Deep inside, your heart already knows the answer. You gently place your foot on the first step. As you do, you leave behind the heaviness you've been carrying. Old worries, old pain, old struggles. They remain behind you. You step onto the second step. Now you leave behind every negative belief you've ever held about yourself. Every moment you doubted your worth. Every time you felt you weren't enough. You no longer carry them. Now you take the third step. You leave behind every limiting thought, every fear that kept you small, every story that no longer belongs to you. Finally, you step onto the fourth step. Here, you release your old life, the version of yourself that lived in fear, the version that kept waiting, the version that forgot how powerful they truly are. You smile softly, then you reach for the handle and gently open the door. There is no turning back. As the door opens, a cool breeze welcomes you. A peaceful mist surrounds the bridge, wrapping around you like a soft blanket. Everything feels incredibly calm. Your body feels wonderfully light, lighter than it has in a very long time. You begin walking forward. With your first step, you are stepping into your highest timeline, a life where beautiful changes begin to unfold. You take another step. Everything you truly desire is already finding its way toward you. You take another step. New opportunities appear at exactly the right time. Life begins opening doors you never expected. You take another step. Your body becomes healthier. Your mind becomes calmer. You naturally begin living the life you've always wanted. You take another step. The fog slowly begins to clear. The path ahead becomes brighter. You realize you have already stepped into your highest timeline. Life doesn't need to change overnight. It unfolds naturally, piece by piece, day by day. You'll look back one day and smile, amazed at how beautifully everything came together. Now imagine yourself sometime in the future. Look around. Where are you? Who is with you? How do you feel? What kind of life are you living? Don't force anything. Simply allow whatever comes to come. And if nothing appears, that's perfectly okay. Just rest here for a few peaceful moments, knowing your future is already unfolding in the most beautiful way. Stay here for a little while. Enjoy this feeling. Whenever you're ready to return, begin bringing your awareness back to your breathing. and slowly breathe out. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, knowing that every small step you take from today onward is leading you deeper into your